Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. So in this video I will be making my iron badge that you are able to see reactive with the iron select. Currently we are having the static code over here and nothing is fluctuating according to the selection of iron select. So I want that whenever I select any value in my iron select, it should reflect in my iron badge. So what I will be doing is I will be using some binding using our V, using our view binding and making both of them reactive towards each other. That is, iron back should be reacting towards the iron select value. So I will be creating a variable status for this, and I will be managing its value to fluctuate the iron batch. Now I will be binding this value. For that I will be using vbind on the value, and vbind should have the status variable value. I will be also using iron change so that every time I change the value of iron select, it should change the status of our iron badge. Now I will be moving towards our script, and in this I will be setting some default value of my status in the data. That is, I want the batch or the iron select should always be on the shift or any selected default value. For that, I will return the status over here, and I want currently shift as my default value. I will be providing some comment for the new users to recognize that the shift is our current default value. This is how we have created using the V binding and iron change over here. Now in my method, I will be writing the method for my change status. Now we are able to see there is some text after the selection, so I don't want that text to be viewed. So I will be overriding the text data property of my ion select using this, like this. To save it. Now I am seeing some margin over here. It may be due to margin inline of the slot. So I will remove that also. But first I will be giving some comment that the new users can see why we have written this code over here. Now for the margin, I will be overriding the margin inline start property and making it 0 so that the margin between the badge and the and select should not be there. So now our code is completely fine and this is the way I have made my iron badge reactive with the iron select. Just write some comment for our margin enlightened start overriding property as well. It's working completely fine. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching this video.